This is a review of the CNC rear hydraulic shock from Amazon. It's about $30. I'm using it to upgrade this really low-end full suspension mountain bike that I have. Should just make the bike look a lot better, but we'll get into the unboxing and see what it's like. Alright, here's the box. Nothing special, just to get it from point A to point B without getting damaged. Here it is. So I got the 1,000 pounds rating on this one, 650 millimeters, I believe. So this should work in my bike. Here's what you're going to be needing. You're going to be needing some blue Loctite, a set of Allen keys, and of course their shock. I've cut out the boring part. I've just put it on here. I'm just going to be putting on the Loctite here. And here it is. I think it looks pretty good, but we'll see if it's actually worth the money. And after a short ride, I must say that it's really not much better than the shock that came on this bike. I can't really say it's worth the money. If I were you, I would just save up for a better shock. But I'm going to be keeping it simply because it makes the bike look a lot better. Thanks for watching this review. If you bought one yourself, let me know what it was like in the comments below.